You have the concept for a book, or maybe the wireframe for an app. You know what you want to build, but without a clear map of how to actually get there, the false starts just accumulate. The way out of that loop is to shift from brainstorming to an active roadmap, a schedule that dictates the exact next step to take every single day. Pazi AI acts as an autonomous system that bridges this gap. It takes your raw concept and generates a sequence of tasks to handle the initial execution for you. The barrier for most entrepreneurs is rarely a lack of good ideas. It is a lack of structural momentum. Setting up an engine to maintain that momentum takes less than 5 minutes. Step 1 happens right after you create a new account. You will land on a single primary text prompt. This input must be a highly specific 1 to 2 sentence business goal. Vague aspirations like make money or grow my business do not give the system the parameters it needs to build your path. Write, I built a productivity app and want my first 100 users. And the platform extracts the specific product and numerical target. Struggling to focus? Clicking Surprise Me cycles through optimized examples to calibrate your formatting. These precise text inputs serve as the fuel for the platform. They allow the AI to calculate the required milestones and construct a structured roadmap for your specific launch. Once your goal is processed, the system generates opportunities. These are customized. You will see a menu of discrete paths presented as selection cards, ranging from defining your minimum viable product to creating a waitlist. At this stage, it is tempting to select every single path at once. Doing so leads directly to workflow overload. To prevent dashboard fatigue and keep your momentum high, restrict yourself to selecting just 2 to 3 initial priorities. To assign a goal to your active workspace, simply click the prompt reading "Take the Opportunity" on your chosen cards. By intentionally curating these first few steps, you separate focused progress from overwhelming, unmanageable ambition. Now that your goals are set, you move to the Business Pulse dashboard. This acts as the central nervous system where every project, opportunity, and AI task synchronizes in one place. This diagram illustrates the dashboard's 3 pillars. The left column holds tasks the AI has successfully completed. The middle column tracks active tasks currently being executed autonomously. Finally, the right column flags operational roadblocks requiring your immediate human intervention. This setup establishes a clear division of labor. The AI system maintains constant background momentum, leaving you with ultimate directional authority over the project. To clear your first roadblock, navigate to the Tasks and Calendar view to locate the specific action holding up your progress. Select a pending item from your queue. For instance, you might need to finalize the copy for your new waitlist landing page. Review the drafted material and provide your approval, or edit the text directly within the interface to resolve the task. The moment you approve it, the item transitions from pending to complete. That single input immediately triggers the next phase of the AI's autonomous workflow. By completing this one microtask, you have officially forced your abstract idea into becoming a project in active motion. In under 5 minutes, you have moved from a blank page to a fully populated, categorized roadmap. Keeping this engine running requires a daily habit. Check your Business Pulse each day to monitor the platform's autonomous progress and immediately clear out any new human bottlenecks. True execution is not a one-time sprint of brainstorming. It is the continuous, managed momentum of ideas shifting from in progress to done.